Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you about my project restaurant billing system which I have made using Java, Swing and MySQL. So the project basically has only one module, that is admin module. So without wasting any time, let's see the project. These are the Java files which I have created for the project. This is the login page, that is login.java. Let's run it as Java application. So this is our admin login frame. To perform all the operations like add food, making bill and all the functionalities present, we have to first log in. But before that, we have to register. So this is our registration frame. Here all the fields present in the frame is validated. That means we can't leave any fields as blank. So let's enter details. And when we enter wrong confirm password, it will show password mismatch. Now enter correct one. Okay, registered successfully as Murad. And now let's log in. But before that, let's check our database. Select star from admin. We can see here my detail got added here. Now let's log in. Here when we try to log in by entering wrong credentials, it will show us the message as failed to log in. Please try again. Now let's enter correct password and log in. Okay, logged in successfully as Code with Murad. So this is our home page, and in here we can see the total foods present in restaurant. Here we are able to see the food because I had already added the foods. We can search the food by using its food name. We can search food by using food category. And also we can search food by using food price. So when I search 50, it will show all the food whose price is less than or equal to 50, as we can see here. Now after that, admin can add food. Let's add chicken lollipop. Okay, food added successfully. Let's check in the database. Select star from food. So chicken lollipop got added here also. And we can see the chicken lollipop here also. After this, let's update chicken lollipop. So for updating any food, we will require its food ID. Search chicken lollipop. So food ID of chicken lollipop is 10. So enter food ID of chicken lollipop here and get food. But here when we try to get food without entering food ID, we will get the message as enter food ID to fetch the food. Now let's enter food ID, that is 10. Get food. So we got the detail of chicken lollipop, and now we can update the details. Let's change the price from 150 to 250. Update food. Okay, food updated successfully. we can see here price of it got updated. Let's check database. Okay, all good. Now let's delete food. Let's delete chicken lollipop only. Again we have to fetch the details of chicken lollipop. Get food. Now delete food. Okay, our food deleted successfully. And now we can see chicken lollipop got deleted from here. Let's check database also. We can see it got deleted from here also. Now let's see the important part, that is billing part. For that, click order food. So this is the main page where we will make the bills for our customers. So for making bill, firstly we have to add the food which was ordered by the customer in the restaurant. Add the name of the customer, mobile number, food ID. So for burger, admin will add food ID of burger as 2. We can see the detail here. Enter the quantity. Now add it. In the similar manner, we can add more food which was ordered by the customer. Now let's say admin wants to add food ID of pizza. So also he can search from here. So food ID of pizza is 8. Enter quantity. Add food. Similarly, let's add some more foods. But let's suppose admin adds food ID which is not present in our application. So it will show us the message as no such food is available. So after adding all the foods, now we have the list of food here. And now when we click on add button, we will get the message on screen as order added successfully and bill is generated. So now let's check our database. Select star from orders. We can see here code with Murad's order got added in the database. And this is our bill. In the bill we can see customer name, date, food name, quantity, price, and here total price is 800. After generation of bill, when we click on print button, the bill will get stored in the admin system in the PDF format, and the same customer will receive the message on his phone about his bill. After this, admin can also see the total orders made by the customers till now. And admin can log out from the application. Do you want to log out? Yes, successfully logged out. So that's all about this project. So I hope you guys liked all the functionalities which I have added in this project and enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care.